Here is how to use Roblox Account Manager. So for us to get started, I want you to head over to Google and just type here Roblox Account Manager. You should be able to see the first option here. We have IC3 Wolf 22. Just go ahead and click that over there. And then I want you to look for releases. So you have this one. I want you to click it. And then we're going to go ahead and download the zip file here. So I'm going to click this over here. Now you're going to be seeing something like this. What you're going to be doing is just right click on it, or just click this one right here and then click this. So basically what's going to happen is that it's going to say that it's dangerous, but yeah, just go ahead and open the download here. Click this three dots and then click download dangerous file. Click download dangerous file once again, and yep, just go ahead and open it. And then you're going to install it by extracting it. Say for example, in my case, I'm going to do so in the desktop. Close this one, and then I'm going to head over to desktop. So you have the Roblox Account Manager here. You're going to go ahead and click the yes button right here, and there you go. So yeah, please select how you want your data to be secured. So you can choose default encryption or password lock. Password lock is definitely the best one for this one. I'm going to go ahead and do so real quick. Click continue. And then we're going to go ahead and enter it once again. All right, there you go. So from this point forward, what's going to happen is you're just going to enter your account. So to do that, just click add account right here. And then it's going to redirect you to Roblox. So I'm going to go ahead and try to write here my account. All right, there you go. So this is the account. I'm just going to log in here real quick. And yeah, what's going to happen is that it's going to bring me to this Roblox Account Manager, wherein my account is now stored. And yep, it's going to log in you right away. And that, everybody, is how you are going to use your Roblox Account Manager.